Okay, today's video is going to be how do I do a shareable link. And what the shareable link is, it's for use for Facebook. Let's say you want to put a listing on your Facebook page, but you really want, if somebody clicks on it, you want them to go back to your Century 21 website for you personally. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, you're going to log into your 21 online account. Go into login to ZAP. And if you don't remember, your username is exactly the same for 21 Online as it is for ZAP. Okay, so now I'm at my dashboard. So what we want to do now is go to our website. So you're going to come up here to the right-hand corner, click on your name, go to my website. Now you can do this for any listing as long as you have the permission of the agent to do this. So it can be, doesn't have to be your own personal listing, as I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go to view my website here. It's going to take me to my landing page. So let's type in an address. Now it has to be an address that's actually listed. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead to search. Okay, so up here in this part, this section here, you're going to see this link. You're going to highlight it, right click, copy. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your ZAP dashboard, which I already have previously opened. So there you have it. If you didn't remember, you could just be at your ZAP, which will do the same thing. It'll take you back to the dashboard. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this section here where it says Add. Open that. New shareable link. You're going to copy and paste to that. Now it says Get Link. Allow access, yes. Okay. So it tells me I'm successful. So now I'm going to go up to my Facebook page. I'm going to enter here, right click. If it's done right, paste, and there's my link. Now I'm going to hit the enter button. And there it is. So now if anybody goes back to this link that I have here, it's going to automatically, when they go to here, it's automatically going to go to my website. I hit save. Hopefully it will post if all goes well. Okay, so now my post is here. So I'm going to click on it. And see, there it goes. And it's back to my page. So that's how you put a shareable link so that you can get your listings redirected back to your Century 21 site and hopefully get some leads that way. Again, just ask permissions of agents in our office if you're able to share that link if possible, and make it a great day.